bakery, confectionery, and chocolate manufacturing combine creativity with precision to deliver products that delight consumers around the world. From bread, cakes, pastries, biscuits, chocolates, candies, cookies, and desserts to premium confectionery products, manufacturers must ensure consistent quality, efficient production, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of bakery, confectionery, and chocolate manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From recipe and formulation management, raw material procurement, and production planning to mixing, baking, cooling, chocolate processing, packaging, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize equipment utilization, monitor ingredient consumption, schedule production